from a sci-fi flick, but flying drone taxis have become reality for the first time here in Seoul. A test flight event today demonstrated the technology that could be a common sight should the government reach its goal of commercializing the technology by 2025. Ji-young was there.
With propellers spinning, an electric-powered pilotless drone taxi took off into the sky above Seoul for the first time for a 7-minute test flight over the Han River. The Ministry of Land, Infrastructure and Transport and Seoul Metropolitan Government jointly hosted an event on Wednesday to present the technology.
The government is pushing to commercialize urban air mobility by 2025. We are holding this demonstration in order for citizens to actually see the development of UAM.
The ministry said that between now and 2040, the drone taxi and the new transport system will create around 160,000 jobs and have an economic impact of $20 billion. At the event, smaller drones also delivered letters and presents to the attendees. Tech companies also had the opportunity to showcase their latest drone taxi models that could potentially reduce traffic congestion in urban areas in the near future. It'll only take 20 minutes by drone taxi to travel the 40 kilometers from Yeouido, Western Seoul to Incheon International Airport, a journey that usually takes an hour by car. And as the technology develops, drone taxis will become more affordable.
I think South Korea, we have a very strong government. The motivation, they are very motivated. They really like to help the industry. Korea has a really good component technologies like batteries and motors. And so I think we are quite well posed.
However, the experts said safety standards such as air certification, operation, and traffic control need to be worked out before commercialization. Ji-young, Arirang News.
And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.